follow me. Now, go inside the house and get me your house documents. In fact, all your properties, the documents, and the whole money you have in this house. Go and get me everything. Be fast about it. It's worked, though. It's worked. Be fast! Is that all the money here? This is all the documents, your landed properties, everything that you have. Yes! This calls for celebration. Now go and get me a cup of juice. Please, hurry up. Don't waste time. This is so good. No. I am a property owner. I'm a rich woman. Yes. Hurry up now, I'm waiting. Don't waste time. Give me. Yes. Oh my God. Yeah. Come on, kneel down here. Be fast about it. Don't waste my time. What are you doing? Are you okay? Don't get me angry. You're so dull, but I will manage. Yes, useless man. Stingy man. This is what serves you right. You think you can be bragging about your wealth. Bragging! You have money, you have this, you have that. Oh, brag now, let me see you. Idiot. Oh, cheers to new life. What? Useless man. No!
Give you what? Why would I give it to you? But are you okay? Are you okay?
Give me my key now.
I don't comment. What are they doing outside here? Did you bring them out? No, I saw a woman. Look at this key. She used this key, and once she lock it now, you will go back to that state again.
Diana.
This woman is diabolic. I've told you this thing before. She's diabolic. She's evil.
What is this?
Huh? Can you imagine? Look.
No, did you?
Move your hand. Move your hand from here.
Huh?
I will not give it to you.
You locked me. The last thing I can remember was me coming out of my car. The next thing, she just bumped in, and that was the last. Oh, so you actually did it. You actually did it. I'm sorry. You mad?
Huh?
Are you? I hope I've not been in this condition for long.
I saw her. I was here. I saw her when she just locked it. You are about to leave.
I am married to you. I am your husband. What will you gain out of this? My documents, my money. Are you trying to tell me that if you need money from me, you can't get it? Eh? Hey. Don't call me your love. You can talk without putting that love there.
I'm sorry. You understand? I'm sorry. It's just that I wanted the whole money because you're not giving me enough. You are not.
Look at what I married by myself. Trouble.
She's so diabolic.
Married problem for myself. You don't need to be sorry. You need to be locked up in the prison.
Yes.
That's where you deserve to be.
Yes. Supported.
A woman like this should listen.
No, my God, I'm sorry.
She said you should leave.
Please.
I will just do that myself.
Go and get me my bazooka AK 497 408 catalog. What is going on here? I want to bombard somebody here. I don't even have any AK, whatever I said now. Hey. My brother, thank you very much. You just saved me.
So